Let's say I'm a game show host and you're actually playing the game. And I ask you to pick one of these three doors, and if you pick the door that has a car, and only one of these three doors has a car, then you get the car. And if you don't pick that one, you don't get it. So I give you an option of picking one of these three doors, and let's say you pick this door. And now I open this door and show you that there's actually a goat in here. So there's no car in here. And then now I give you an option of being able to switch your choice, or you could stay with the same choice. So the question here, or what the Monty Hall problem actually is whether you should switch or you should not. And think about this for a minute. The right answer is that you should always switch. No matter what door you pick initially, you must always switch, because the probability that you get the car is so much higher. Now let's think about why this is actually true. So let's say you pick the first one, right? And you don't know there's a goat here. So you pick one of these three doors, and the probability that the car is in any of these, in one of these doors, is 1/3. And it's split evenly between the three doors. So no matter what door you pick, you have the same probability of getting the car. And then once you have picked this door, I open this door and show you that there's actually a goat. So the probability of there being a car here drops to 0. And then the question is whether you have to switch to this door or stay here. And the answer is you always switch, and that's because you can think of this two doors as initially having a probability of 2/3. And then when I show you that there's actually a goat in this door, all of the 2/3 probability must indicate that there must be a car, that there's 2/3 probability that there's a car here, because there's 2/3 probability that there is a car in these two. So you should always switch, because the probability that you'd get a car after switching is 2/3 compared to staying where your initial choice was, where it's just 1/3.